Hi everyone, a lot of people have been asking me about my 6-step program and what it involves. So I've decided to do a little quick video for you to show you. In week 1, we will cover an overview of Twitter and LinkedIn and why you should be there in the first place. And then we're going to fine tune your message and make you stand out from all the rest. There's a lot of noise in social media and we want to make sure that you become the go-to expert in what you do. So we'll also look at your audience, why should they be interested, why should they follow you, and we'll cover Twitter polls and Twitter chats. And then week 2, which will be the following week usually, we do 6 one-hour calls. It'll be video calls, just you and me, be sharing screen. So week 2 will be Twitter lists, Twitter polls, who to follow to get the most engagement, how to do the perfect tweet. And I will introduce you to some of my connections. And we're going to also try and influence the influencer. I'll show you how to do that. Week 3, we'll get to know your ideal client. We will go into advanced search, Twitter chats, and have a look at your competitors. What are they doing and what can you do better? We'll design a survey and ask your audience what they want, and we'll make sure you get 100 responses. And we'll use that as an article then to show your expertise. I'll also show you how to schedule content and save time on social media. Week 4, we'll cover PR and video. We'll cover Twitter Live, Facebook Live, webinars. We will get you in touch with some journalists and we'll try and get you on the radio and get you some exposure. You will do a webinar for my Women's Inspire Network. A lot of people are a bit nervous of doing that, but I will show you how to do it and it's really easy and I will guide you every step of the way. Week 5, we'll be talking about LinkedIn, how to use it effectively, your profile, and we'll cover email marketing as well. Week 6 is all about email marketing. I can get you some training with one of my team. We can also have a look at the activity and what's happened so far over the past 6 weeks. And we'll have a load of questions and answers and all kinds of stuff. And I will help you with all of this. The 6-step program is extremely effective. If you want to do it with me, then contact me. It's sam@tweetinggoddess.com.